In this video, I will show you how to get up to $25 per referral with VoIP.ms. First, log into your portal. Navigate to the Finances menu and click Referral Program. For every friend you refer, you both receive $10 in VoIP.ms credits. The more referrals you make, the more you make, all the way up to $25 per referral. Here's how it works. You share your code with your friend. Once your friend signs up, makes his first deposit, and makes his first phone call, you both receive your reward. You can share your unique link by directly copying the code, sharing it on social media, or sending it through email. You will be able to track how many credits you have accumulated so far, as well as how your unique link is doing. Again, for every friend you refer, you both receive credits, all the way up to $25 per referral. The good news, there is no limit. And that is how you can start getting free VoIP.ms credits by referring your friends. Let us know if you have any questions. Thanks!